just gonna say this real quick. There's some of it that I couldn't actually do, or like, well, not really, but there's some things that like a little weird with the video, like the part 2 and type of that kind of thing. By the way, this is the only video that I was gonna make. Like I did 2 videos. The one time that I tried to get one screw out because I want to go deeper on the phone, apparently I couldn't because there was a screw that actually was basically right here. Basically, yeah, I took it apart fully on this video, but I just want to clarify that. So there is some weird things about this video. I can't really listen to it all really because I'm just literally tired, not gonna lie. But this was pretty good. So hope you like it. I did organize the desk now. That's pretty nice actually. That's why the lighting is a little bit more like flashing at me because it's usually going to be like probably like right here during the video. So yeah, and that is bright too. That is blinding me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Until next time, brothers and sisters, and yeah, enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So I did a little bit of working on this phone. I lost some screws through the way. I finally got that screw out. No, I can't. But yeah, I finally got that screw out. That one that was stuck. So thank goodness. It's been like an aggravating trying to get that to come out. But yeah. So yeah. Like I said, it was aggravating getting it out, and I finally got it out. Just so you'll know, that white stuff is, no, it is not what you think it is. It is actually stuff that you put on walls. But it does look wrong, though. I'm sorry. But it was because it's like the spackling. I can't say that right. Anyways, but I just want to just like clear that out because you never know. But yeah. I was like, yes, I can finally go on with doing what I was doing. I feel like I'm missing something. But thing is, that's weird. That's just weird. How's that both flat? Okay. Oh gosh, I don't know why I put that there. I misplaced. Well, I didn't really misplace it. I just put it there for some reason. Okay. So, boom. Finally. So, yeah, I got the stuff to do this with, and yeah, finally get to do a part 2. So the first one I didn't really. There we go. Thank goodness with the magnetic screwdriver. Am I right? So yeah, I did lose a little bit of screws on the way. But hey, I mean, it's not like I'm using this phone for any time soon. So let's see if we could actually let's see if we could completely dismantle this, like once and for all. So yeah. I've been trying to get this stuff for this whole thing. I finally get to dismantle a phone. I mean, it's just been so. I always wanted to do this. I'm not gonna lie. It's been fun. And I'm gonna try to put this back together the best of my ability as well. Actually, you know, I came up with extra screws, so I'm end up with extra screws. I guess hopefully sooner or later I'll use those screws. And I mean, I know there's 2 of them, so I don't know how many I lost trying to get this part out, the top part. So yeah, it's been kind of aggravating, But yeah, I finally got the stuff to do this, and yeah, this gonna be fun, actually. There we go. Okay, finally. Get to remove this piece of crap right here. Just, yeah, this, I don't know what this is, but yeah, I don't know. Just put that there for now. Unhook some stuff real quick. Come on, come out. You're like one of those. There we go. That's already came off. Get the headphone jack. Don't know why you don't want to come out. Oh, that's because it's got a stupid screw in there too. Some things just don't like me. No, I forgot, right? The SIM card tray. Wherever it is, there it is. I think I could maybe use this to my advantage right here, right? No, I can't. Hold on. I don't recommend this, but it'll work. Probably. Okay, there we go. For a moment. Yeah, it's not working for some reason. Why? I think the smallest thing I have, literally. Hold on. Phone boxed. We'll see if the SIM card, SIM ejector will work on. This is from an iPhone, so maybe. Nope. You stupid piece of crap. Talking about the phone, not the SIM card tray. But yes, that would not work. That was a good try, though. I don't know why it didn't work, but I mean, I guess, yeah, I mean, it kind of makes sense if it didn't. So, let's see if that will work. This better work, actually. I don't got anything else, I don't think, on top of my head. And it probably should, just... Oh, gosh, that was actually harder than I expected. Pew. Yes, that's the SIM card right there. Okay, well, there you go. SIM card tray out. Should I put that there for now? Okay. It's time for removing everything else. And I got screws everywhere. Why do I got screws here? Put those there. There we go. Okay. So we need to disconnect the charging port. I'm trying to let y'all see too. It's kind of hard. I do recommend taking the battery out, and also don't leave your phone plugged in while you're doing this kind of thing. Okay. Take out the back camera. This is your back camera, by the way. Now, I did this last time, so I'm just not going to worry about all that. Okay. Do that. What was this? I don't understand what this is, but okay. So, idea is I'm gonna try to take this out. Okay. This should lift apart. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Is that screw right there? I took that out. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to see what I'm doing wrong. I don't think I'm trying it at the right direction. Probably not. Oh yeah, it's going. This is gonna be. This is your motherboard, by the way. So, or what some people call it, the logic board. And this is the most important thing of the phone at all time. Without this, your phone is definitely not gonna work if you break this. And I scratched it up too, so yeah, that's let's try to see if I can get under. Well, I don't want that stupid thing that put it over the camera basically, or what was the camera anyways. Yeah, I did that. There we go. Just in case y'all wondering, that's actually what's it called, like stuff for the wall. And I can't. Oh, there's a screw right there. I did not see that. I'm blind. And I got nails right there. And what I mean by I'm literally blind, I could not even see that actually. At all. And that actually lists out. Could also take the main camera out, and I can't really pry it out for some reason. What's going on with that? Come on. There we go. Oh, yep, I got it. That was the camera at one time, so it's dead. So this is your motherboard or logic board, something like that, you know. Your SIM card tray goes here, no, your SIM card. Yeah, SIM card goes right here, basically, right in there. So, and your camera was there, but it's not anymore. And my phone decided to slip off. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's about to fall. There we go. Okay. So, now you got everything else. Your vibrating motor. That all that here. See if we could try taking all this stuff out here. Yep, there we go. We got it. Still got some stuff going on right here. There we go. We got it. Yeah, that's your charging port here. And we nearly almost took this apart just the right way, just about. I don't see any screws or anything, so I think we gotta, in order to, what does this do right here? Okay, I'm trying to see everything here. Speaker mesh. I'm gonna try taking that out. That is some glue there. Ooh. Yeah, that's hair. This phone's a little old. Even though this phone looks a little bit more better and it's older, so yeah. And the same with this one. This one even looks even better. As I say, those are also this one actually completely works, by the way. This one, on the other hand, y'all need to see this actually. I don't even know what the heck is wrong with this thing. It's probably the screen itself or the logic board. But yeah, the screen turns on. But look at the screen though. Like, look at this, and it's what is this? I don't understand. So yeah, just tell me what that is. And yeah, this one has a bad battery though. This Google Pixel here. That's the only thing that's wrong with that. So I mean, it's normal stuff here. So we're just gonna try to carefully trying to see everything. What else can I remove here? So this is a display right here, I believe. Don't mind this right there. Just don't. don't. Okay. Let's see about this right here. If I could. So yeah, that is quite to take in, actually. That actually did this just now. I mean, there's nothing left, maybe except for like right here where there's a speaker right there. I could actually take that out too, just by just slowly lifting it up a little will do the trick. I should say, but I don't know. What is that right there? Oh, that's like a magnet right there. It just stuck to that. It looked like someone was rolling my thing. I was like, wait, what? Okay, I've got to do it with the big boy here. Actually. Okay. I'm gonna just say this real quick, Samsung. You did not make this easy to repair right here, like right when you take out the logic board and all that. You did not make this easy to repair, but of course, I mean, who's gonna take out all every single thing? Good grief, I can't do that. But of course, I did. Okay, let's see if we can put it back together. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting, actually. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, let's do that. Okay. And we're gonna put the battery in too, so we're gonna do everything right. In fact, I'm gonna actually connect this right in there. I think that's a good idea. So y'all know how to take out, well, I just did a video of just taking out the whole phone basically. Now I'll be taking it apart. There we go. I could probably fix this thing completely. I'm not even joking. I could probably, if I had a whole nother display and frame, easy. Already. This thing just don't want to go back in place for some reason. Sometimes I have to actually look at it really closely. Come on, there we go. Y'all can see this. Come on. There we go. No. There we go, you're in. Okay. And of course the little wires goes kinda right through here, kinda. I'm gonna try to, let's see here, okay. The white one does go here, I didn't know that. Sometimes it is good to take a picture before you do this. But of course, that's if you have like a really super bad memory, and I do, but I do remember how it went, because I mean, theoretically speaking, white is actually closer to the blue, because I know white ain't gonna reach all the way right there. Blue can for sure. That's just, it's more common sense. There we go, we got that on there. And that fits on there like a glove, kinda. Okay, okay. Oh, I I forgot one more thing. Crap. We need that. There we go. That's why it was kind of weird feeling. Okay, I think that's the display too, so possibly. I'm not going to connect the battery. Not the battery, but the cheeky, leaky little camera thing. We're definitely going to touch the rear-facing camera if I can. Come on, you could go in there. I literally just put you in there like moments ago. Oh crap! What's going on right there? What's the white thing? Oh, it's just. No, what is that actually? Just like a housing for it, basically. Oh, it fits like that, like a glove. There we go. Right in there. Okay, perfect. So, I don't actually recommend this video just for like phone repairs in general. Yeah, like if you're doing this like you know, if you're doing this for like a business, do not do what I do, because I do lose screws. Like some screws, like right here, I did lose some. I'm gonna put this right back in. Speaker mesh. I think that's how you call it, right? I could be wrong. Put in the headphone jack. That looks absolutely scary, if I'm being honest. What the heck is in there? Okay, I guess that's just gonna stay out. I don't like that though. Also, let's kind of like clean that right there. This is one thing I don't really miss about headphone jack, is that it does get dirty in there because you don't use it anymore. Even though it is a feature that a phone should have sometimes. And it's a missing feature. It's a feature that is probably never going to be seen again. And this phone may not have it because I can't put this in. Crap. What is going on with this piece of metal though? Like, I'm just gonna put it inside. It's not good to be used really, so I mean, I'm not using this phone, and if I did, I'd be using Bluetooth. So, but yeah. And I'm also going to put the SIM card tray early, if I can. Yeah, I can. There we go. Okay. So, time for screws. Now it's time for screw time, and yeah, I didn't put that back in. Okay, good. I believe that goes right there. Oh, I know where those screws. I forgot there's screws that goes right here. That's probably not important right now, so yeah. I just realized something. Why is that like bulged in? Like, why is it not sitting flushed as I thought it was? It's probably that screw, actually. Screw it. Okay, so this goes right here, I believe, right? Somewhere like that. No, yeah, I don't know. Where you go? You go right here. Yeah, you feel like a glove right there, kind of. You'll fit it. Well, actually, screw this in first. Then the top, I think, would be smart. Give me you. Put you right somewhere else. I'm gonna put you right here. I think you like being right there. I don't know why I did that, but okay. Give me that screw right there for free. I didn't have to get it. that was from the charging port. Crap. Okay, so we forgot about the charging port. So we'll go ahead and do that now. I want to do this right, kinda. Just listen to me, kinda, okay? I don't know what to say at this point. Okay, that should be able to put you through there. Go in the hole. So, yeah. Now we gotta do the charging port itself. I can't believe I forgot about that though, the charging port. Ooh. There we go. Okay, cool thing as well. This thing actually, I noticed I just do this because I mean it's easy. I actually do like this screwdriver. Okay. After this, I will actually put the battery in too. Mainly because I want to know if I could actually get it to work with the battery. For some reason, every time I use this thing, when it comes to like that, for some reason it gives me like a I think like a battery, like the charging port's wet or dirty or something. I don't know, because I mean it's dead, so I mean I can't tell. So I don't know what's going on with that exactly. Also, this thing does have some history of water damage. And I'm guessing, where's the water indicator at? Is that like the water indicator right there or something somewhere? At least tell me where it is. At least somebody like that's more like, you know, like professional. Because I by all means I'm not professional. Yeah, I'm not professional at all. Like, don't trust me with your phone. At all. Oh, actually, trust me with your phone, but like, don't trust me to fix it. Not until I get better and turn into a professional. I think every professional would say that now. I'm just here for the learning and just to put this stupid screw right in. Jeez. The funny thing is, I don't got a steady hand though. There we go. Sometimes you do. Okay. I wasn't playing with you, but I guess I am now. Can't move on me when you're trying to go straight in, right? Yeah. Frick you, stupid screw. Okay, so we got all the screws in. Golly. Okay, sorry about that. My phone fell. No, the camera phone. Yeah, the phone that I use daily base, not this. I don't actually use this daily base at all because I mean I have before with the damage that has with this, that, and yeah. So, and also this phone was actually featured in my what's it called? My what video was it again? What is it? That video called? I can't remember. It's playing with that other phone, or not other phone. The it was doing one of those videos. It was the watch one that I done. I remember now. It was the watch. I destroyed a watch video. Go ahead and check that out if you want. You don't have to, but I suggest if you like destruction. Yeah. But like if you don't, then it's all for preference really. So yeah. Grab this stupid screw, shove it down my butt, and I just read something. There was a small one right there. I'm going to use it. Always keep your screws organized, even though I got a good taste on what's bigger and what's not. I was trying to look for a small screw, but I didn't see that one right there, so I'm trying to save the big ones just for the ones that are actually being put for the plastic backing, or the plastic protection, I guess. I don't know. It's not the backing of this phone. If you didn't know, I took the back of the phone basically off. I think I did a video on that. That phone was featured on this too. I don't know if I ever uploaded it. I can't remember if I did or didn't. If I did, it's still on there. If I didn't, well, I guess I could try to find it through Google Photos. That was pretty fast. Stupid thing, focus. Why is the screw not going in? 'Cause the hole is smaller than my butt. So we gotta get the smaller screws to go right in. Or is it gotta be longer? I think this one's gonna fit in. Or it's not perfectly aligned with one. What's going on with that one? I don't understand that. This should work. I mean, I lost a couple screws through doing this one phone itself, so try doing it through this one. Maybe if it didn't line up, it'll line up shortly after I put this thing in. If not, we'll just leave it like it is, basically. Theoretically speaking, this should go in. Even though I'm having so much trouble putting this thing in. So I'm gonna just skip that. Or I'm gonna try this one other one that I tried putting in. Why does it not want to go in? Hold on a minute. That's not what I wanted. I'm just gonna skip that right there. I don't care. We'll just put this piece right here in. And I think this goes afterwards, right? I have to visually see things like that. It's starting to look right, kind of. Not really. Because it's gonna get. These screws were meant right here for sure. Samsung, like this phone actually doesn't matter on which screws where you put it. Sometimes you just kind of need to know where the small ones goes for sure. Like some are shorter and some are longer. Right now I got mostly long screws, so go figure. I don't remember a screw being right here, but... Wait a minute. Wait, what? Okay, that's weird looking. Actually, it just needs a little crunch. There we go. It just needs a little crunch. Captain Crunch time. Hold on a minute. How many screws does this need? Because I know this guy needs some screws here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Okay. I'm going to put 2 here for sure. Grab one right here too. I'm going to put all 3 right here for sure. Because it's going to need it the most. I forgot one more thing. The battery. That's okay though. Come on. I can't. For some reason or another, this does not fit perfectly. It's not like, I don't understand that. That's my point. That's okay though. We'll just try to, I'm trying to do my best right here. We're not doing perfect, but you know, that's why we're just here to learn. Oh, that's why I'm here to, that's why I'm doing this, to learn how to repair phones. And why is this screw doesn't not ever come out? Well, I'll be darned. I'm gonna take these out too. Something's just not right about right here. I don't understand why it does not want to like it's still bulging. That's why. Okay, that was stuck underneath it. But not anymore. It's, is it? Oh. Come on, get on there. You can't even get on there. Wait. I don't think I broke anything right here. I hope not. And so, well. You know what? Come on. I might just say that's good. I'm just saying. I think I improved it. There we go. I think I fixed it like that now. I fixed that problem. Put that there. Looks like they're, oh, I know what that's for. That's for the fingerprint, I believe. Yeah, I forgot about all that. Almost that, and also the wireless charging, so y'all not getting to see that, really. Forgot anything? Okay, yeah, this. But no. There we go. I could feel that. Yeah, she ain't gonna feel like a complete phone, but she's definitely Y'all got to remind me on things. I'm thinking I'm not gonna blame y'all on that. I forgot the battery. Again. Okay. You know what? Screw that, right? I'll get it. Screw that. Get it? Okay. Enough of the dad jokes. Okay. Why are you not coming off? Why? I feel like you're loose enough. Oh, wait, again. That's why? Come on, screw. There we go. Ah, there you go. That's satisfying. Okay. The battery. Now, she could be tight on there, but yeah. Come on, get on there. Oh, there we go. We got it on there. Okay, cool. Okay, we need to... There we go. Okay. Perfect. Exactly what I want. There we go. We're back in business. Come on, there we go. And I got the other two screws somewhere in this bag, I think. Yeah, the extra two that I lost, or not lost, but realized that I forgotten about earlier. Well, they're gonna be reused somewhere else. Oh my goodness, I thought I lost that one again. Okay, that's on there. Look at you. Put you right here, like that. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, she's a little dusty. Let's see if it... Oh, yeah, the bags kind of feel like... Oh, okay, that feels very, Yeah, that's, highly unfortunate there. Okay, we're gonna need something for that, but, we'll be alright, I think. As long as it doesn't do anything spectacular, and I think that's spectacular. I mean, like, blow me up. Okay, that's vibrating. Oh, my back hurts a little bit. Come on, turn on. Give me a little sign of life. I mean, the vibrating is a sign of life, don't get me wrong. But I want more. Why does this SIM card tray looks like it's about to bulge out? That don't look right whatsoever. I mean, I guess if it works, it works, but we'll find out. It's not turn on. Oh, yeah, I heard a vibration. You know, I could let this charge and see what happens. Meanwhile, I don't know what to do. This does not look good. I don't know what to do. I don't. Y'all help me. Is this gonna blow in my face? Oh, okay. I guess it's just gonna keep vibrating if I keep doing that. So, what does that message mean? Or what does this mean? Does it mean it's going to 7 me or something? Battery overdone or something? Is it going to kill me? Sorry, I'm trying to... I don't know what this means. I'm kind of scared a little. Should I be worried? I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, I guess this is a good sign that, it... Oh! That's a sign. That's a sign. I'm just gonna leave it at that, like that, I guess. I can't see the screen though. Oh, no. I'm literally trying so hard right now. Come on. Give me something. Yeah. No. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think it's unlocking, which is a good sign. I think it's dying. But I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it like this. Turn on. It's like I don't think it's charging, which is weird because I don't understand why it ain't. It's saying that there's moisture in my charging port, even though I don't see how. I know I don't got no SIM card. I'm getting like so many warnings on my phone about like there's moisture, but I don't got anything. It is bone dry, I guess. I thought. I got one idea, and I'm just gonna turn that off before my screen gets way too hot. Then it dies instantly. Okay, well that makes some sense. Put isopropyl alcohol in the charger port. Yeah, I just shoved it right in there. So, I don't know how that's gonna work, but what is going on with my charging? With my headphone jack. What? I'm scared of this phone now. This does not look like it used to look like at all whatsoever. I'm gonna see what's going on with this. What is? I don't know if that's done or not. I'm gonna wait a little bit more longer. Oh my gosh. I mean, it still works, so I guess the repair or taking it apart and put it back together was a kind of success, even though I got the battery coming out now. Actually, I got an idea to fix that. Actually. The non-recommended way. What the frick is wrong with me? I don't know. And this is definitely going to go. I'm just gonna put this like in a huge metal box. So yeah, that's what I really want to do. I'm scared of Samsungs now. I'm never been scared of this phone since I did all this to it. Not gonna lie. And this thing overheats too. Like, I'm not even joking. It gets hotter than this little turd. This thing, I mean, the battery degrades on this thing, but the screen on this for sure goes like literally. I kid you not. It goes really hot, like hot. Like, I don't understand why it does that, but like seriously. But yeah, I mean, this thing used to work pretty good though. I'll give it that. It's 16 gigabyte. The motherboard is still pretty good use. I could actually pop this into a different phone, like another Samsung. Maybe not this one, but like, you know, like if maybe this one, I might. I mean, I don't know yet. Should I? I mean, that's just, I don't know. You know, I don't know. But also, this thing, like I said, the screen is just weird with this one. Like, yeah, that's what's wrong with this one. Okay, that stood a little longer than it should. This one just has a dead battery. I'm gonna just like power it up and show you all the battery percentage. I'm just gonna cover the background. It's nothing bad. It's just, you know, it has people in it, and that's kind of weird. It originally someone else's phone, and then it was my phone, and then it's kind of back to me now again to an extent. So yeah, I'm just gonna, like, I don't know, but look at that logo though. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the battery percentage real quick. 49%. You see that, right? I'm gonna just turn off I'm taking off the charger. It's about to die soon. How do I know this? Okay, I don't know how it's still like this, but like, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put a timer on here. Y'all know the video's still going, so yeah, it just died instantly like that. It already needs to be plugged in, and it needs to be more than this thing can't last at least 70% at all either. So I mean, and I'm not joking. This phone absolutely just does not do good on battery whatsoever. This thing does at 70%. I'm not even joking. It does at 100%. Not even joking. But look at this boot up screen though. I want y'all to see this at least. Oh, I'm just pressing the stupid little piece of crap. Come on. Beautiful. The Google Pixel 1. This is the original Google Pixel, by the way. And that's all I'm going to show you. But yeah, I mean, this thing is a dead phone, basically. It just died again! Literally, just died again. Watch. See? Told you. But yeah, let's see if, see if it works. Like, completely. Okay. I mean, I know it needs to charge. I just need to know if it works. Like, completely. Like, if there's nothing wrong with it and all this stuff, you know. What does this sign? What does this tell me right here? I think that just tells me there's still something going on with the charging port, which I don't know if there is. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But it works, though, so that's all I'm going to just say. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next video. Until next time, my brothers, sisters. And, yeah, if y'all want to see these phones get opened up, and I'm definitely going to do better on the video. I didn't know I put it on cinematic mode on my phone, on this phone that I'm recording. I'm trying to do it lively, but it's just... Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Hopefully, this video turns out right. And, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, brothers, sisters. And, yeah, thank you guys for watching.